Now I would like to call Mehmunnesa to the stage where she. Please come on the stage.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for giving me the opportunity to say something in this conference. I am Mehmunnesa. I am a student of College of Aviation Technology and I am from batch 6. Today I will discuss about Biman Bangladesh Airlines, difficulties facing by Biman Bangladesh Airlines and the necessities solving problems required to become one of the best airlines. Today I am going to talk about airlines. So here we can see different type of airlines in the picture: Qatar Airways, Turkish Airlines, Emirates Airlines and Etihad Airways. So first of all, I will discuss about airlines. An airline is a company that provides air transport services for traveling passengers and cargo. Airlines use aircraft to supply these services and may form partnership or alliances with other airlines in which they both offer and operate the same flight. There are three types of airlines, classifications of airlines: major airlines, national flag carrier and regional airlines. American Airlines is a major airlines. Major airlines is that airlines which revenue is more than $1 billion and number of employees is 10,000. Singapore Airlines is national flag carrier. National flag carrier is that airlines which revenue is 100 million to $1 billion and the number of employees is 2,000. Air Canada Express is regional airlines. Regional airlines is that airlines which carry passengers and cargo from one destination to another in the country. Here we can see aircraft of Qatar Airways. This airline is a major airlines and national flag carrier. Some basic characteristics of Qatar Airways is going to be explained. Its IATA code is QR, its ICAO code is QTR. Main hub of Qatar Airways is Hamad International Airport. Its headquarters is at Qatar Airways Towers, Doha, Qatar. Its total revenue is almost $50,000 million US dollar, and its total employees is almost 50,000. Here we can see an aircraft of Biman Bangladesh Airlines. Biman Bangladesh Airlines is national flag carrier and regional airlines. Its revenue and number of employees don't match with major airlines. Some basic characteristics of Biman Bangladesh Airlines is going to be explained. Its IATA code is BG, its ICAO code is BBC. Main hub of Biman Bangladesh Airlines is Hazrat Shahjalan International Airport. Its headquarters is at Bolaka Bhavan, Kurmitola, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Its total revenue is almost $620 million US dollar. Its total employees is 5,000. Let's enjoy some basic features of Qatar Airways and Biman Bangladesh Airlines. In this picture, here we can see the beautiful Hamad International Airport. It started its journey at 2014. It is the main hub of Qatar Airways. It has one terminal including 5 concourse. On the other hand, we can see the primary hub of Biman Bangladesh Airlines, Hazrat Shahjalan International Airlines. It started its journey at 1983. It has basically 3 terminals, Terminal 1, 2 and domestic terminal. A mega project of Terminal 3 is ongoing and it is expected on 2020. Being a major airline, Qatar Airlines has a large fleet of 234 aircraft. This fleet is very busy to connecting the destinations. On the other hand, fleet size of Biman Bangladesh Airlines is far too small comparing the Qatar Airways. Only 20 airships are in the service. 16 of them is Boeing and rest are de Havilland Canada Dash. And now I will talk about destinations. Qatar Airways expands all over the world. This airline is connected with 173 destinations. Biman Bangladesh Airlines is connected to 25 destinations. From this chart, we can easily understand the difference between Qatar Airways and Biman Bangladesh Airlines. Qatar Airways is a huge airline with huge responsibility and pressure, but the airline is much efficient. Only 2 accidents happened in this airline's recent past. On the other hand, 10 accidents are observed for Biman Bangladesh Airlines. The employees are most often not well trained and the planes are not in good shape, so accidents happen most often. Qatar Airways provides the best quality food service and behavior. The passengers feel great and give positive feedback about the service. Biman Bangladesh Airlines also provide good food. They also try to maintain the quality, but the food and beverage service is not comparable to the best airlines of the world. So we can make a rating. Qatar Airways gets 4 out of 5, whereas Biman Bangladesh Airlines gets 3 out of 5. Qatar Airways provides one of the best service in in-flight entertainment. They try to provide their customer the best facility to maintain their reputation. In this case, Biman Bangladesh Airlines is facing difficulties. Their overall service is as well as their in-flight entertainment service is not up to the mark. In this case, Qatar Airways gets 4 out of 5 and Biman Bangladesh Airlines gets 2 out of 5. Very important feature of the service of airlines is seat comfort. Qatar Airways provides very comfortable and luxurious seat to the passengers. Biman Bangladesh Airlines also try to maximize its service about seat. Business seats are comfortable generally, but economy class is very poor comparing the other famous airlines. So in this criteria, Qatar Airways gets 4 out of 5, whereas Biman Bangladesh Airlines gets 3 out of 5. Staff service is one of the most important facts. The uniform attitude, management idea of the staff is very important to satisfy the customer. In this criteria, service of Qatar Airways is very impressive. In this case, Biman Bangladesh Airlines service is not up to the mark. The staff has a lot to learn how to maintain the passengers, so they need a lot of training. So we can make a rating. Qatar Airways gets 4 out of 5, whereas Biman Bangladesh Airlines gets 3 out of 5. Qatar Airways is 5-star airlines, whereas Biman Bangladesh is 3-star airlines. Basically, there are some difficulties Biman Bangladesh Airlines is facing for a long time, for which the airlines is not able to compare the airlines like Qatar Airways. Excessive pressure and lack of adequate facilities at the terminal of airport, lack of sufficient aircrafts and flights for the desired destinations, absence of adequate training to avoid accidents, low budget and unhealthy food and beverage service, paucity on flight entertainment, low quality cabin class service and seat arrangement, passenger service below standard, low budget ticket service, flaws in overall management system. If Biman Bangladesh Airlines can take necessary steps considering this problem, it is expected that worldwide a lot of people would take this service and huge amount of currency can be earned. Biman Bangladesh Airlines will then be comparable to all the other world-class airlines. Thank you.